With the current land reform bill that currently passed into the Abuja Land Administration, a lot of investors they are now afraid as to why they would not invest into this particular city, adding to their former negative thoughts as it comes to investing into the Abuja real estate market. Now, there are several solutions to this particular land bill, and this has been happening for a long period of time. In fact, I would even beg to say that this particular land bill has been in this particular administration for a period of time. But what the current FCT minister is currently doing is that he's trying to enforce these bills that he has currently passed into the Abuja land administration. This now leaves the question of where are the next places you can invest your money that are very cheap and also very, very affordable as an investor for the process of long-term land banking, because as you already know, with the passing of this bill into the Abuja Land Administration, you can no longer hold the property for as long as 2 years without developing that particular property. And the said option I'll be sharing with you in this particular video is one that you can keep that land for as long as 5, 6, 7 years and not even do anything to the property. But because of the development of the FCT, it is impacting this said location positively, therefore giving you capital appreciation and returns on investment while your money is working for you. My name is Alifune David, and I am the real estate broker in the city of Abuja, who is committed to bringing you the absolute best of real estate, educating you, and also bringing you the most affordable real estate investment opportunities in this very city. Now, I have talked a lot about Karshi as a location. In fact, I have already given you several videos as it concerns our investment opportunities in Karshi. Talked a lot about the importance and also the significance Karshi holds to the development of the FCT. And one thing I have always failed to share in these said videos is that Karshi is very, very affordable. I also stated in one of my previous videos that there are two different Karshi. You have one that is inside Nasarawa State partially, and then you have the other one that is inside the FCT. Now, nevertheless, where Karshi is, whether it is the one in Nasarawa State or is it the one in Abuja or the FCT, these sale locations, they are affordable and present you as an investor a lot of opportunities, which I'll be trying to discuss in this particular video. First off is because of the construction of the Karshi Expressway. And upon the completion of that particular 10-lane road, Karshi is definitely going to receive capital appreciation and receive a high demand over the next coming years. And with this comes your long-term land banking, also short-term land banking. A lot of investors, they are now moving to the Karshi location because it is one that gives you a lot of potential as getting returns on investment in this particular city. Now, like I've stated earlier, Karshi has a part both in the FCT and also has a part in Nasarawa. And with this, a lot of investors, they are afraid. But the place where our own estate is, which I am now pitching to you, not just pitching, but a solution to the current land reform bill, is this is very affordable and you can get at a very, very cheap price as of right now. Now, another thing that will now impact the Karshi location as a place is the maintenance of the Asoko Karshi Expressway that is currently being maintained by the federal government. Now, the FCT minister visited that cell location towards the beginning of 2025, and I can say that that brought a lot of speculations as to what Karshi will become in the next coming years. Because with these two current constructions happening around this location, Karshi is definitely going to be on a whole nother level. Upon the completion of the Karshi Expressway and upon the completion of the maintenance of the Asoko Karshi Expressway. All these reasons are why Karshi is one of the most cheapest and also one of the most go-to places when you want to invest for the long term when investing into the Abuja city real estate market and its environs. Now, I know this video is running a bit too fast as we don't have enough time to dive deep into the entire conversation of this particular video. But I have said a lot of things throughout the entire course of this said video so far. One is because of the expansion of the Karshi Expressway and also because of the maintenance or the construction of the Karshi Expressway. Another thing that gives Karshi an edge over every other place inside the FCT is because of the recent land bill. And a lot of people would not want to invest into Abuja anymore because you can no longer invest in long-term land banking. And Karshi presents you with an opportunity to land bank for as long as 5, 6, and even 7 years, whether you choose to keep that land for that particular duration. Another thing that Karshi provides you as an investor is affordable housing, affordable rent. A lot of people do not want to live inside the FCT in terms of the rental value, in terms of the price of paying rent inside this very city. And I would use myself as a case study. Now, I have been in Abuja for a couple of months, and I can tell you that coming into this city, the rent was very, very high. Now, because I am not exactly living around the city center, that was very high. What a lot of people they are now doing is because they do not want to pay that high rent, they're looking to move to places that they have easy access to the city center, which Karshi has. Karshi is about 30 kilometers away from Asukuru, which is considered as the city center of the entire FCT. And Karshi has easy access to the city center. Karshi is also very, very affordable in terms of the housing. Now, a lot of people do want opportunities like this by owning apartments, by living in those said locations, and Karshi presents you that said opportunity. If you as an investor now set to position yourself in a place like Karshi and build houses for rental income, Karshi can give you as high as 7 figures annually in terms of the rental value and everything that has to do with cash flow when investing into this particular city. Now, we have several investment opportunities right now in Karshi starting at 3.6 million naira. And this is a very, very good offer if you ask me right now when investing into the city of Abuja and its environs. This said 3.6 million naira, we also have a payment plan available to you as an investor. Therefore, you can scatter the payment across 3, 4, and 6 months respectively, whatever fits you as an investor. This is a very crucial information you should play with right now, as this particular land bill has been passed into the Abuja Land Administration. Now, like I said, Karshi presents you with the opportunity of long-term land banking, giving you capital appreciation on every step of the development of that entire region. Karshi also provides you with the opportunity to gain rental income because a lot of people want to move out of the city center and go to places that they have easy access to the city, but also that is very affordable. Karshi also provides you with these particular details. Now, if you want to get more information of this said estate or get more information of Karshi as a location, then do ensure to reach out to me on the number shown right on your screen. And I am always available to give you the very best of real estate when it comes to investing into this particular city. Once again, my name is Alifne David, and I am the real estate broker in the city of Abuja who is committed to bringing you the absolute best of real estate, educating and also bringing you the most affordable real estate investment opportunities in this very city. I will see you on our next video session. Until then, stay safe.